You're finally ready to embrace the strength training lifestyle. Now what? Hi guys, welcome to the MEDFITNESS Minute. When it comes to strength training and the strength training lifestyle, there are three pillars that everyone should be paying attention to. The first one, of course, is consistency. You win over time when you're strength training. You can't take an on again, off again approach and expect maximum health benefits. So committing to consistency. At MEDFITNESS, we prescribe 2 full body workouts a week as a way of making consistency doable and bite-sized. Number 2 is to focus on quality. There are a million things that can and do go wrong in the average strength workout. So make sure you know what the proper form is. At MEDFITNESS, we call that your workout skills. You need to know what your posture should look like, your repetition speed, your transitions, etc. But definitely pay attention to the quality of the training. And lastly is work hard. We now know from 4 decades of research that effort matters in a big way when you're strength training. Easy workouts don't stimulate improvements in health and function. Challenging, demanding, tough workouts are the only way to get value out of those strength workouts.